Welcome to this explainer. Look, we all know that familiar knot in the stomach when it comes to government paperwork and long lines, right? But if you've been feeling overwhelmed about getting your Texas state ID, you are in the exact right place. Today, we're taking the Texas Department of Public Safety's official guidelines and transforming that whole bureaucratic headache into a completely clear step-by-step journey.
We're breaking this down into 5 completely manageable phases today. The Texas ID basics, are you eligible, gathering essential documents, navigating the DPS office, and finally, receiving your new ID.
Phase 1, the Texas ID basics. Let's look at what this document actually is. So the key takeaway here is that this card is official proof of identity specifically for non-drivers. It's issued right from the Texas Department of Public Safety, the DPS. And let's be real, in today's world, having a solid government-issued photo ID is absolutely essential. Whether you're opening a bank account, signing a lease, you name it, this document is your golden ticket if you aren't currently behind the wheel. Now, here's kind of an interesting quirk. Texas has a pretty strict rule. You generally cannot hold both a Texas driver license and a state ID at the exact same time. It's an either-or situation. You literally cannot carry a driver's license in one pocket and a state ID in the other. So for our explainer today, we are focusing entirely on folks who are opting for the state ID. Moving right along to Phase 2, are you eligible? Let's check those requirements. Okay, there are basically 4 simple checkboxes you need to clear before you even think about booking an appointment. First up, you actually have to live in Texas. Makes sense, right? Second, you must be able to prove your identity. Third, you need a social security number. And fourth, you gotta be a U.S. citizen or have lawful presence in the United States. If you're mentally checking all 4 of those boxes right now, boom, you are officially ready to move forward. Phase 3, gathering essential documents. This is exactly what you need to bring. Because let me tell you, you cannot just show up to the DPS empty-handed. You need concrete proof of who you are and where you live. So it's time to dig into that filing cabinet, or, that one messy kitchen drawer. For identity, a U.S. passport, birth certificate, or green card works perfectly. For your social security number, grab your actual social security card, a W-2 or a pay stub. Just make sure it shows the full 9 digits. Now, definitely pay close attention to the Texas residency requirement. You usually need 2 different documents here. Think utility bills, lease agreements, bank statements, or insurance docs. And finally, if you aren't a U.S. citizen, you'll need documents proving lawful presence, like an employment authorization card or valid immigration papers. Having this exact combo ready to go is literally the secret to a completely stress-free visit. So how does this all come together? It's really just a simple 4-step journey. Step 1, check your eligibility. Step 2, gather those docs we just talked about. Step 3, fill out the Texas Identification Card application, also known in government speak as Form DL-14A. Honestly, do this in advance to save yourself a ton of time, though. You can do it at the office if you have to. And step 4, you have to book an appointment through the DPS system. This is absolutely crucial because first-timers must visit in person. No online or mail-in shortcuts for this step, unfortunately. All right, Phase 4, navigating the DPS office for your actual visit. When the big day arrives, you'll grab your documents and head in. The whole process is actually very structured and straightforward. You'll hand over your application, they'll verify your social security number, take your thumbprints, get your signature, and of course, snap your official photo. Then you just pay the ID fee, which varies a bit depending on your age, and once everything is approved, they hand you your immediate temporary paperwork right there. Then you just head home and wait for the permanent one in the mail. Oh, and a super important side note from the official guidelines, if you happen to be a disabled veteran, you should absolutely ask about a potential fee waiver. Texas offers an exemption for some disabled veterans, so definitely check if you qualify for that benefit before you pull out your wallet. And finally, Phase 5, receiving your new ID and understanding the processing time. The turnaround here is actually incredibly fast. Like I mentioned, on the exact same day as your visit, you get a paper temporary ID before you even walk out the door. Pro tip though, double-check all the information on that paper while you're still standing there to make sure they spelled your name right and got your address perfectly correct. After that, your hard plastic permanent Texas state ID card will show up in your mailbox in about 2 to 3 weeks. So how long does this thing actually last before you have to do the whole song and dance again? Well, your new ID is generally valid for 6 full years. That is a pretty amazing return on investment. The prep work and that one trip to the DPS today literally pays off with 6 solid years of having reliable, official ID ready to go in your wallet. As we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with one absolutely crucial thought for the future. The official guide gives a massive tip here. When you apply, make sure you aim for a Real ID compliant card. You'll know it's a Real ID because it has a little gold star on it. Why does this matter? Well, moving forward, that star is going to be absolutely essential for domestic air travel and for getting into certain federal facilities. So, as you gather your paperwork and prepare for your appointment, ask yourself, are you ready for the Real ID requirements so you aren't caught completely off guard the next time you head to the airport? Thanks for joining me for this breakdown. You are now fully equipped to tackle the Texas state ID process like an absolute pro.